Hello guys, so in this video we are going to see how to install a Nginx server in EC2 instance. So first I am going to my Chrome browser and typing AWS. So first I'm entering into my AWS console management. I'm clicking sign in option and it will sign in to my account. So you can see here right in the right top you can see here that I'm logging in my account Christopher. Now you go to the search option and type EC2. So here you can see the option EC2. Just enter and give the option as launch instance. Then here first you have to give the name of the EC2 instance. I'm giving the instance name as Linux EC2. Then scroll down and here you can choose the operating system you want to give for the EC2 instance. So I'm choosing just Ubuntu and I'm using free tier version, so I'm giving that option. And after that just go down and click keeper. So here we want to create a new keeper, so give the option as RSA and .pem, and here I'm giving as Linux and just create a new keeper. It will automatically download the pem file. Then in the below the firewall option you give just allow SSH and allow HTTP. We are going to install Nginx server in our Linux machine, so that we are giving that allowing HTTP. Then just to give a launch machine, so within a second it will, within few seconds it will create a EC2 instance. So here you can see that right, successful. So just click into the instance and it will enter into the instance. You can see here. Yeah, here it is showing that instance running successfully. So EC2 instance, so get into the instance ID and here we can see public private IP addresses. So I'm giving yes just connect option. So it will automatically establish a connect to our EC2 instance. Yeah, now we are in our Linux machine. So to install Nginx server we have to change our username to sudo. So further I'm giving the sudo su Linux command, so it will automatically change into my root account. And here I can easily install Nginx server easily. So for that command I am using apt. So first I have to update my Ubuntu, so that I am using it apt get update. So it will update our Linux machine. Yeah, it's updating our Linux machine, right? Yeah, it has been updated. Now we are going to install Nginx server in our Linux machine that we have created using the EC2 instance. So further I am using the command apt-get install Nginx, so it will install Nginx server in our Linux machine. Yeah, it's installing. Yeah, it's installed, I think so. Yeah, it's installed. So now we are going to hostname. Hostname means it will give them hostname ID, and it will hostname hyphen I, it will give the IP address of our this Linux machine. So now I'm going to just know it is working properly. So for that I'm using to check whether the Nginx service installed properly. We can check using our web server. So when I enter my public IP address in the browser, we can know how it is working properly or not. So for that, I'm just typing in a sample program, and it will show the output in our browser. So just echo hello world from host name, and we are here having a pipe symbol and var. So these var www dot index, these are just Linux files. So if you have used Linux, you know about it. So don't need to worry about these things. So just I'm giving enter, and now I'm going back to my EC2 instance to know the IP address of my EC2 instance. So here you can see the IP address, public private IP address. So I'm copying my public IP address and paste it here. So now we can see, yeah, it's properly working. Hello world from IP. So we have given a host name so that it's showing like that. So to cross check, we have enter into the Firefox browser also. Yeah, it's working. So now it's our Nginx server is installed properly, we can see here. So now we can change something in this statement, echo hello world. So I'm just giving my name, like here you can see just Christo. Then I'm saving this, then I'm refreshing this. You can see here it is changing. Yeah, it's properly working, our Nginx server. You can also follow these steps to install Nginx server in your EC2 instance. So thanks for watching this video.